Yeah, man. I also wanted to let y'all know that the baby didn't make it. It unfortunately passed away today. So this was a sibling to that bird. So I'm over here. I'm keeping an eye on these birds, man. But I know that bird didn't contaminate nobody, just for the simple fact that that bird, I don't know what it caught, man, because it wasn't really sick. You know what I'm saying? It just had fluids in his mouth, man. But oh well, man. The bird died, man. So I'm down to 4 squaws, but it's all good, man. Here we go, man. Everybody looking good. Everybody ready for the storm to come in.